गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, नमस्कार, my dear friends and ladies and gentlemen of my country. Welcome back to the YouTube channel EcoVit Eyes of Economics with episode number 5. I am Vasant Kumar. Welcome to you all in this episode with class 12th Arts and Humanities career opportunities for their future endeavor. The students, those who are expecting or passed out from 12th Arts and Humanities, what opportunities they may choose for their future endeavor. There is a proverb in English, where there is a will, there is a way. The way is constructed in the life of a student, initiated by the willingness. If you are having strong willingness, then you will have a strong way in your life without any damages. So you will go ahead and ahead. Okay, my dear friends, let us have a glance with your career options. Number 1, first of all, DED, Diploma in Education. The duration of this course is 2 years after class 12th Humanities. The number 2, BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. The duration of this course is 3 years. And after BSW, we can go with MSW, Master of Social Works, for 2 years. Then number 3, LLB, Bachelor of Law. If you are doing integrated with foundation, then it will take 5 years to complete. Otherwise, after BA, you can directly take admission in LLB, which will take 3 years. Okay, however, after completion of LLB, within the duration of 5 years, you can go with DTL, Diploma in Taxation Law, which will take 1 year. Then DLL, Diploma in Labor Law, which will take also 1 year. Then after LLB, you can take admission in LLM, Master of Law, which will take 2 years only. Then the law course will be completed after your graduation, starting from integrated law after plus 2 arts and humanities. Then fourth option in your life, after class 12th, Diploma in Fashion Designing, DFD. The duration of this course is only 3 years. Then number 5, Content Writing or Soft Skill Training. It is a very short course. The duration of this course is only 1 month, 30 days. Diploma in Fashion Designing, 3 years. Content Writing and Soft Skill Training, I have already told you, it will take only 30 days, 1 month. Then number 6 option, Diploma in Interior Designing, which will take 2 years to complete. Then number 7, BBA. After class 12th Arts or Humanities, you can take admission in BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, which will take 3 years to complete. 3 years for BBA course and followed by MBA course, which will take 2 years. First of all, after plus 2 Humanities or 12th Humanities, you can take admission in BBA for 3 years. Then after, you can take MBA, Master of Business Administration, for 2 years. Then come to the point number 8, Bachelor in Arts, BA. It is otherwise popularly known as BA, Bachelor in Arts, which will take 3 years. After passing out from Bachelor of Arts or BA, completion of 3 years, then you can opt BPEd, Bachelor of Physical Education for 1 year. Then you can opt MA Master of Arts for 2 years, followed by PhD, Doctorate of Philosophy. Then after you can appear JRF, Junior Research Fellow, SRF, Senior Research Fellow, UGC, University Grant Commission, then NET, National Eligibility Test for Lectureship. After passing out NET or UGC, you can be a lecturer in any university, in any college, degree college, anywhere in India. So NET is important for that. Then you can take admission after BA, LLB, not integrated. It is only 3 years course, followed by LLM, Master of Arts, 2 years. Then you can go with BHM, Bachelor of Hotel Management, for 4 years duration of course, 4 years. Hotel Management course after BA, it will take 4 years. Then after passing out from Hotel Management course, by completing 4 years, you may be one of the efficient manager in 3-star, 4-star and 5-star or 6-star or 7 stars hotels. Okay, then you can go with MBA, Master of Business Administration for 2 years. After BA it is 2 years. Integrated it is 5 years plus 2 years. Then SSC, you can sit in the exam of State Selection Board or Staff Selection Commission under State Board for State Administrative Officer and UPSC Union Public Service Commission for IS Officer, Indian Administrative Services. So you can prepare for all those exams and sit for all those exams to be an officer in Indian administrative system. Then Bachelor in Fine Arts, which will take 3 years. Bachelor in Humanities and Social Sciences, which will take 3 years. B.Ed 1 year. After BA, B.Ed course is 1 year. If you are taking admission in B.Ed integrated course, it will take 5 years. Or if you are taking admission after BA in any regional college, then it will take 2 years to complete. You will be called as BA B.Ed, eligible for PGT grade teachers, trained graduate teachers. Then you can go for M.Ed after completion of B.Ed. M.Ed 1 year duration course, Master of Education in any university. So then after passing out BA, you can go with Advertising and Commercial Management Diploma. The duration of this course is 2 years. Otherwise, you can sit or appear the interview and test for sub-inspector exam in police at the state level and at the central level as well. At the central level, in which police organizations are there? Let me discuss. One is BSF, Border Security Force. Another is CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. Then CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. Then State Police. Otherwise, you can appear in CDS, Combined Defense Services, to join Indian Army as a commissioned officer. Then Educational Havildar in Indian Army, Educational Havildar in Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Otherwise, after BA, all these courses are available after just passing out from BA. If you are going to do something else in your life other than all these options, the point number 9, let us come to the diploma in foreign languages, Japanese, French, English, Spanish. So I can give you one example of this, that is TOEFL, Test of English as Foreign Language The institution is located at Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. It's a very renowned institution. You can take those who had English honors or will have English honors at their graduation level. Directly, they can take admission in POEFL located at Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Then you will be eligible for foreign jobs. Then BJMC, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communications for 3 years duration. Then after BLED, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, which will take 5 years to complete after 12th arts. After 12th arts, you can take admission in BLED, Bachelor of Elementary Education, which will take 5 years to complete. Then, last but not least, number 12, Bachelor in Event Management. The course is the duration of 1 year. Any event you can organize in your professional life by doing this course very successfully and smoothly. These are the career options and courses for class 12 humanities students. Rather than all these or apart from all these options, you can sit for any job also. After passing out from class 12, you can appear the interview and written test in any clerical grade job in High Court and Supreme Court, district medical, or any other medicals at the local level or primary health center, or you can join Indian Railway, or you can join Indian Postal Services too. Many other services are there at the plus 2 level without going with any higher course. You can join the job also if you are qualified in the test and interview. However, these were the career opportunities for class 12 humanities. I would like to congratulate all the students, those who are passed class 12 humanities. They are going into various courses right now and have a choice, a right course, a job for your bright future. And I wish all the parents, students, all the best in their future endeavor. If this video is helpful for you, my dear parents and students and guardians, please share, like, comment, and subscribe this video among your friends through social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, and also in your YouTube channels. So, thank you for being with me and listen to me. Be safe. Let's others safe. Thank you. Good night. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Namaskar.